We are all looking forward, including us. I didn't mention before, we actually have the best seat in the house. We bring these people in and they play with us, and Pam and I have the best seat in the house because we get to sit next to them or stand next to them and listen to them. So, over to you, Zee.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. I'm Zee Gachette. I've got a few different projects, from electronic to rock to acoustic, and this is a song. It's called When Night Falls. And funnily enough, I have not recorded this song as yet, but I always love to play it as a starter. It's there. Just needs a little bit of love. Well, she flew into the sun. She said it burned her wings. Well, she was looking for love again, yeah, in the wrong place. Now she's looking to the moon, 'cause she's a freedom child. Well, it's a woman energy. She says that she'd like to try. Oh yeah, when night falls, when night falls, she said love is only an emotional game we play to win or lose again and again. When night falls, when night falls, she could go okay, yeah, yeah, babe. I feel her coming your way, desire in her eyes, where she's reeling you in, darling, yeah, with that a killer smile. I see you try to get away, but she's a far too strong. Now surrender to her will of love before she takes it all. Oh yeah, when night falls, when night falls, she said love is only an emotional game we play to win or lose again and again. When night falls, when night falls, she could go okay, yeah, yeah, babe. Not to see the sun, nothing left to do but run, 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 let's run. Let's run. House upon the hill, moon is lying still, shadows in the wild trees whisper in the wild breeze. Come on baby, run with me. Let's run, yeah. Limerence? Has anyone heard of limerence? Okay, so there's all kinds of versions of love. We have crazy love, we have deep love, we have twin flame love, soulmate love. Limerence is the kind of thing when you're infatuated with this person. It's almost like a divine comedy, really.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's an absolute infatuation. They're great for as muses. We write lots of songs about them, which is what When Night Falls is about, this sort of, seductious kind of, this woman is going to get you in her sort of clutches, and you're like, oh, it's a bit of danger, and not to touch the earth, oh, we're going there, and blah, blah, blah. And at the end of the day, you're just like, fuck! But it's all part, it's a dark love song kind of vibe.
I'm glad I'm sitting under the air conditioner, because there was a little sultry for a bloke like me.
Rules, Geoff, Aussie rules. Alright, so love. Usually when we do a Writers in the Round showcase, I like to bounce off the other songwriters and see what subjects they have, and if we've written about similar things. It's fun to play them and see how differently they can be presented. It's also the point of a Writers in the Round, is we try to make sure that all of the acts are as different as possible. So this song is about love. And unlike all of the first songs that I wrote, which were very anti-Valentine's Day, this one I wrote about my husband. And I was still trying to figure out if he was full of it or not. So it's like that anticipation, right? We're going to call it anticipation. But really, I think I was just terrified. I did everything I possibly could to be as unattractive as possible. And he just stuck around. He'd put his hands behind his back, and he'd cock his head to the side, and he used to nod his head and go, yep, I'll wait. So I made him wait for 2 years. 2 years of me telling him, no, I can't add you on Facebook. It's a glitch, that's what it is. That's why you can't message me. 2 years of me telling him, no, don't drop me at my house, just take me to the beach. I'll hop out there, I want to go swimming. Because I didn't want him to know where I lived. He was just so patient. What are you to me? I can't wait to see all the joy you bring. Makes me work and see my best way I was. From the starting, oh, we know. Ooh, yes, oh, because you love me. Well, what am I to you? All the things we do are the very things I will do for you.
Postcard in my hands, and it was of those colourful sort of thin streets on the Mediterranean, and I wrote this song about trying to find your love that's been lost on those streets. Wide and narrow streets, bright coloured walls, well-rutted paths, weathered old doors, generations of stories, like libraries of stone. Around every corner, surprised to be found. I whisper your name, you're not there. I whisper your name fills the air. I whisper your name. Contemplate history past, human events seen, echoes at last. Sunlight only enters these streets for short time. Sound carries far as I whisper your name. I whisper your name, you're not there. I whisper your name fills the air. I whisper your name. Who knows where you trod these streets so thin, but I will continue to wander where you have been. 1,000 streets and 1,000 towns I have searched to find. Love lost years ago, your memory burned in time. I whisper your name, you're not there. I whisper your name fills the air. I whisper your name. Cobble streets are my grave, stone walls my tomb, and I race to find you, a gift that too soon. I whisper your name, you're not there. I whisper your name, I whisper your name. I whisper your name. I whisper your name. I whisper your name.
Tell us about your guitar.
I have bought a backup guitar tonight. This guitar was made in 1829, so it's 194 years old. And which is, I'm actually going to play a song later on which is nearly as old as this guitar. It's made in France. I had it rebuilt, and I've actually just finished rebuilding it myself. We played it for a while, and then it had a few little issues. So, but I'm hoping it holds. I did bring a backup guitar, which is stacked down the back, just in case at 194 years of age it needs a little nap. If I was 194, I'd probably need a decent nap. But anyway, I just love it. It's just a magnificent guitar. And how we got from Le Coq factory in France to playing in Grafton in 2023, I have no idea. But, it's sort of like a constant companion when it's working okay.
Do you have any songs about 100-year-old guitars by any chance?
No songs about 100-year-old guitars.
What about 100-year-old people?
100-year-old people. But I'm on the, I'm still on the unrequited thing.
Oh, okay. Does that mean it's going to be back to me?
Yeah.
See how good is anti-Valentine's
And also, there's another song I haven't recorded. Thought I'd play some songs that you won't find on Spotify. How smart.
You.
Anyway, this song's called Caroline. And I should, toothpicks for?
Martini.
All right.
Martini.
Yeah,
I asked if you need a toothpick, really.
Write a song about a martini.
I'll get you one later. Do you want one? Do you want with that?
I want to go into a different tangent here because I want to stay on a little bit of country. So, yeah. Alright, let's see if I can sing this song for you.
I wasn't expecting that.
Oh, my Caroline, why don't you call me up? You love me for a day, then you keep my love at bay. Oh, my Caroline, oh, my Caroline, one taste ain't never enough. You broke my heart in two, still I keep coming back to you. Oh, my Caroline, like a thorn on a vine, whistle in the window, your bird song plays heavy on my mind. Like a thorn on a vine, whistle in the window, your bird song plays heavy on my mind. Oh, my Caroline, oh, my Caroline, you can run but the truth will find its own light of day in the shadow and the shade. Oh, my Caroline, like a thorn on a vine, Whistle in the window, your bird song plays heavy on my mind, like a thorn on a vine. Whistle in the window, your bird song plays heavy on my mind. Oh, my Caroline. Oh, my Caroline, like a thorn on the vine. Whistle in the window, your bird song plays heavy on my mind. Oh, my Caroline. Whistle in the wind, your bird song plays heavy on my mind. Thank you very much.
To me, I took it back.
This is the thing about these questions, right? You know, as a songwriter, when you have a partner or partners, and you write a song, it's always like, so, what is that song about? and I'm kind of like, oh, yeah. Like, so, well, it's this, I'm not Caroline, so who's that song about? Hmm? You know what I mean? So,
Did I do it again? No, I'm sorry.
oh, listen, I really put my foot in it there. I survived to tell the tale anyway.
No, I get it. I firmly believe if you're going to date or marry a musician, just be aware that you're going to be our muse. So be prepared to have
Are you taking notes out there, Alan?
all the songs written about you. And you can be our muse in all the right ways or all the wrong ones. And so, this isn't exactly unrequited. It's my wedding anniversary in April. Almost 1 year, still married. Stoked about it. No, you're going to clap more once you hear this song. Because wow. So we'd finally been going out for like a year. And I went to go and play a show in Inverell. Is anybody here from Inverell? Do we have anyone from out over the mountain? No. Ooh, it's a local show. I like it. Inverell. Gleninnis? No. Wow. I was trying to get to Inverell. Oh, Armadale, yeah. That's a bit further. Anyway, if you've ever travelled out that way, even just for a look, you realise there's this thing called the Great Dividing Range. I don't know, you might have heard of it. It's pretty great. As great as it is, there's no reception on the Great Dividing Range. And you've not known fear until you've been that Kiwi that came to Australia. And Siri just said no. I'm like, where am I? She's like, no, sorry, I'm out. I'm done for the day. And so I'm trying to get to Inverell to a show where 300 people are waiting. And it was sold out, and I was like, fuck my life. And then I look over at the driver, who's my now husband. By some miracle, we still count the miracles every day. And he looks over at me and he gives me the hand. And he goes, relax. Woman, I'm from out west. I know where I'm going. Because apparently that means something, right? So he lived in Colorado for a while and he's telling me he knows how to get to Inverell. So I shut my mouth. I I shut my mouth when we drove through Glen Innes, and I swear I saw a sign that said, "Go this way to Inverell." You know, the only turn to get to Inverell that there is in Glen Innes. There's only one. You can't miss it unless you're my husband. And so I kept shutting my mouth until we were 2 hours in the wrong direction. And the manager of the show that I'm waiting to get to calls me. He's like, "Dale, where are you?" And I stopped the car, we pulled over, and I'm like, "Yep, okay, so I don't actually know where I am right now, but if I look around, I see desert. There's a couple of boulders over here, I don't know. I don't recognise the plant life. There's a skeleton, an actual skeleton, something died here." And I'm directly under the Earth's sun now. Needless to say, he was less than impressed. Nobody got a show that day. And I had this guitar and a bottle of vodka. About 5 hours at this point to get back home. And our photographer was in the car with us too. He got a front row seat to the entire... I don't even have words for what that was. Oh. So I proceeded to deep throat a bottle of vodka in the back seat and collect all of the most annoying noises I could think of, and tried to communicate my feelings in a healthy way instead of yelling, and having an argument. I'm like, "I'm gonna write a song, Kane. I'm gonna write a song about this inspirational journey over some freaking mountain into a desert, and I'm just praying and hoping to God that we're gonna get to a pub soon." Ooh, hey, yeah. So this song is called "I'm Only With Him Because He's Crazy." And I hope you like it. I'm only with him because he's crazy. He's only with me because he's mine. My disposition's never changing. Yeah. He's only with me because he's mine. I'm a degenerate, no fool. Oh, I suppose the things you do. Oh, I'll never leave it. Yeah. Only with him because he's crazy. Ooh, 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 ooh.
a radio interview, caught up with a whole range of people.
Oh, and the vineyard. Yeah.
And a vineyard, we snuck a vineyard in there, which we didn't drink. Their wine was terrible.
It was really bad. Yeah.
We had a 2 o'clock in the morning night and a midnight night. We broke the tip bucket record at Flow Bar.
Yeah, Mid North Coast has never tipped so hard.
We got in the car all chirpy and happy just out of Port Macquarie to drive home, making jokes. It was about 6 o'clock on Sunday night.
Beautiful sunset.
Pam got a picture from her husband that he just painted one of the walls in the house fluorescent pink in his name.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, where the kids' photos were going to hang, and we discussed it. But he'd become obsessed with urban art. My husband's an artist. And so he just decided he was going to canvas that one wall and put his name on it instead, like floor to ceiling, as big as this, in fluorescent Lander plane pink.
So 3 hours home from a great trip, tired, and a very angry little Kiwi sitting next to me in the passenger seat all the way home.
No, because his excuse was, it's your name too now. And he knew I was 3 hours away, so there was bugger all I could do about it. Like, wow. That man, I tell you what, it's not boring. It's never boring.
I'm going to stick with the country theme. But I'm going to try and be a little bit bluesy like that song. So here's a song I wrote when I was a kid. I didn't write as a kid, but when I was a kid, my grandfather and I used to sit in the lounge room and watch the old black and white country movies, the cowboy movies. My favourite character in those old black and white movies was the trapper, the guy that used to come out of the hills with a beaver skin hat on his head and all the pelts he'd sell in the local town. So here's a song I wrote about that character. Well, the snow sets in, ice on the thin, houses are closed, everything's froze. They say he has a house, simple dirt floor, way up on the ridge with his Indian squaw. Trapper, man of the mountain. Trapper, man of the mountain. He's almost a ghost as you wander in and out. We see him in the town once in a while, trading his pelts for his living supply. His name is unknown, as is his age. He does nothing to give us his age. Trapper, man of the mountain, almost a ghost as you wander in and out. Some say he is a murderer, some say he's a thief. He does nothing to steal their belief. He has become a legend, celebrity in his parts, just a right grin to those stars. Trapper, man of the mountain. love in a place he calls home. Drive through man of the mountain. Drive through man of the mountain. Coast to coast as you wander in and out. I am showing my age a little bit. I love those old black and white cowboy movies. My grandfather used to go to sleep halfway through, but I was always enjoying it. So. Are we going to pick an easier subject? You got the lead, Zee. You can pick whatever something you like. We'll try and follow you.
So I'm just curious, is this the second to last song of the first set or the last song of the first set?
I don't know,
Second
Pam's.
to the last song of the
So we
first
got
set.
one more?
I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
All right, so
Yes.
can you hear me?
We've got so much. I'm sorry, but hands down, that is the most badass reason I've ever heard for anybody to need a toothpick in my whole life. Yeah, for your martinis, that's why.
Okay, so this next song, I'm gonna stick with the country vibe because I love myself some country. And this song is about a singles bar. Come on over here, darling, I got a little game for two. Don't be too lazy, I know you really want to. See, you've been looking down, well, hell now, baby, I got a cure for you. It's only for the lonely hearts, and I'm one just like you. Wipe your teary eyes, you'll see me over here. If we get talking, the pain might disappear. Whoa, now come on over here, darling, I got a little game for two. Don't be too lazy, I know you really want to. A little conversation might just be the upper that we need. We'll talk about our troubles over a double drink deal. Wipe those teary eyes, you'll see me over here. If we get talking, the pain might disappear. Whoa, now come on over here, darling, I got a little game for two. Oh yeah. Don't be too lazy, I know you really want to. Play my little game for two. Come on, play my little game for two. Come on, play my little game for two. Come on, play my little game for two. Oh yeah, play my
a little game for two. Oh yeah. Come on and on and on and on and on. Oh, go Geoff now. Well, now come on over here, darling. I got a little game for two. Don't be too lazy, I know you really want to play my little game for two. Come on and play my little game for two. Come on, play my little game for two. Come on and play. Come on and play. Come on and play.